Hey, it's TheOtowngman here, and today I want to be showing you how to make a simple Photoshop logo like this one right here for an upcoming series I have. You may have seen in one of my earlier videos my Project Snow icon, so basically same process. So first you're going to want to start off by opening up Photoshop, obviously. So just open it up, there you go. Go File, New, or Control N. I use US size paper, so click OK on that. Image rotation, 90 degrees. Doesn't matter which way. Lock it to about 33% zoom, and let's just find a font. So I'm using the Rainmaker font. If you guys want it, comment. I'll put the link in the description below for the font. So let's just type in YouTube logo, and then that should be good. And we'll put another one, tutorial. So there's several ways you can do this. One, you can put shadows and everything. That's what I did in this one right here, to give it a bit more depth. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this. I'm going to change it to a different color. Let's go stick a blue. Alright. And that will be good. Alright, so let's start off with the first one. Double click right here, and then you'll get the layer style option. First, go to drop shadow. Now, you're going to want to go to your color that you're using, a bit darker. Opacity all the way. So you see I'm editing tutorial down here. So you can try to keep the distance about 4 pixels. So it gives that nice thick look to it. Don't mess with the spread too much, because it will go crazy. But you can do it like this if you want. I want to go right about that, so 10%. And size, blur it a little bit. You can add noise if you want. I wouldn't though. So now you're going to want to go to Bevel and Emboss. Do Pillow Emboss. Chisel Soft. Depth. You can mess around with this if you want. Go back to Smooth, actually. Just play around with it until you think it looks good. You might want to zoom in a little bit on the text. There you go, so you can see it. See, that looks pretty nice. It looks like it was kind of like the gel glue. So I like it like that. I'll open this up for a second. You can pause the video and see all the stuff that I did here. So if you want to copy it, there you go. So you're going to want to do the same thing. Click New Style and just name it that style. There you go. Now if you double click on this one, you go to Styles. Should be your last saved one. There you go. And that's how you do that part of it. So zoom back out to about 33. We're to 34 for this case. And go to your cursor again. Click the one you want to move. Alright, that should be good. Now click T to go back to your text. Click the one you want. Now click this T with the arc there. Here's where you can do all the stuff. So do for the bottom one, arc lower. There you go. I like to do that. Make the text a lot larger. Whoops. Play around with this till you think it looks right. Click the check mark when you finish all your changes. Move around this one a bit till it matches. Click the T again. Go to arch. Whoops. Arch upper. And it gives it that look. That's a fisheye. So there you go. There you have it. You have that fisheye look. Now go to your shapes. You can click any shape you want. But for my case, I'm going to be using the ellipse. I just circle it. There you go. Make it so that the ellipse is at the bottom. And with this, you don't want to do too much. It looks pretty nice as it is. Press C to crop it out. Crop as close as you can. And click the check mark while you're all ready. Crop. Now, if you want, you can edit these some more. So go to your T, move this away a bit. You can change the distortion, the bend I mean, until it feels right. That looks right for me. Add a bit more bend on this one. Click OK. Possibly make it a little larger. Maybe move up to about 65. Whoa, what the? Alright. Move it up a little bit. And click check mark. Now the final thing you're going to want to do here, double click the lock on the background. Click OK. Delete this. And now you have a clear background here. So now what you're going to want to be doing, click Control Shift S if you're on a Windows. I think it's Command Shift S if you're on a Mac. Save as format. You're going to want your format to be PNG and just name it whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to be naming it tutorial. I spelt that wrong, I think, but oh well. And save, and the final product will be showing up on your screen right about now. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Comment down below what I should be doing next. I could do some After Effects intros, some Cinema 4D logos, intros, blah blah. Please keep a lookout for my new series